Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun summer video, I'll be showing you how to draw a cute cartoon summer dog. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our summer puppy, let's begin with the sunglasses. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a little bit of a curved line. I'm going to leave some space and I'll make another curved line right here. We'll draw a straight line right across to connect them. Let's go ahead and put a little bump at the end of each pair of our sunglasses. Then we're just going to kind of come down and curve up. Same thing here, kind of down, go over, and curve up. Then we're just going to connect it right there. Right across the top, let's make a little curved line. Then we're just going to go and make a little curved shape right inside of each one for our sunglasses. Now, inside the shades, let's go ahead and put two diagonal lines for a reflection. Now for the nose, let's make a little line across. Then we're going to make a little line that curves around for like an oval shape. Let's draw a little smiley face on top, and then we can go ahead and just kind of color in the rest of it for the nose. For the mouth, let's make a little curve like this, and then a second little curve like this. Then I like to make a nice big U shape underneath with a line in the middle for the tongue. Now for the head, let's go ahead and just draw a little curve shape that's going to come around and up to here. Then we can draw a little line here and a little line here. For the top of the head, let's make a curve, but let's put a couple little points on it, and then we'll bring it back down to here. For the ears, I like to draw a line that's just going to curve out across the top. Then I like to bring the ears out and back in. Kind of same thing, bring them down and out, and then curve back in. For the collar, we're just going to make a little curve shape right here. And we can put a little circle at the bottom for a tag. Now, let's make his little arm. So I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to come out here. Then to keep this really simple, let's just go ahead and make an oval shape for the paw. Let's draw a little line that's going to curve down and up for like the end of a popsicle stick. And then right across here, we'll make a straight line. We're going to go up with a curve, and then I like to make a couple little bumps in here, like a bite's been taken out, and then we'll connect it down here. Then we can even draw two lines in here for some detail. Then I'm going to bring this line back. Next, I'm going to curve this line around and I'll bring it up for the other arm. Then let's draw a little line down for the body. And we'll just connect this line right to here. Bring them down just a little bit farther. Right here, let's make a little oval shape for the foot, and we'll do that same thing here. Just kind of make a little oval shape that just kind of curves back up. We're going to bring this up and this up here. We make a little line across. Let's draw two little lines here, and we'll make two little lines here. Then to make this kind of fun, let's draw a line across, and we'll make a line here and a line here for like some swim trunks. We'll put a little line here and then a second line on each of these for some detail. We'll go ahead and make 2 little lines here, and we'll also make 2 lines here for some details on the paw. Next, let's go ahead and draw a line that's going to come out and then back in for the tail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a fun little summer puppy. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.